Sciton is proud to present its latest technology created to address a woman's most intimate challenges. Introducing Diva, a breakthrough resurfacing procedure designed for laser vaginal therapy.
I'm Johnny Pete, a gynecologist from the Woodlands, Texas. I've been using Sciton lasers for years, and they seem to always be on the forefront of the technology that's needed to take treatments that already exist and just make them better. Better for the patients, better for the practitioners. It's no different with Diva. There are a lot of vaginal lasers on the market currently, and with Sciton, they looked at the things that were good about some of those lasers and tried to improve upon them, and looked at some of those things that weren't so good with those lasers and tried to eliminate those issues.
Diva, the latest innovation created by Sciton, expands the broad range of dual platform capabilities to offer solutions for the vaginal market.
The dual wavelength technology, the hybrid fractional laser, as we've seen the amazing results on the skin, translating that to vaginal tissue has also shown amazing results, and it's something that's not available elsewhere.
Diva utilizes the revolutionary hybrid fractional laser technology developed for Halo, the world's first and only hybrid fractional laser to provide independent levels of ablation and coagulation, as well as varying levels of density. This allows the provider to customize the treatment based on the patient's desired results. Diva's ergonomic design allows for patient comfort and ease of use. The single-use strengthened quartz dilator consists of a 360-degree quartz window that allows for easy treatment and cleanup. This removes the need to autoclave, reduces downtime between treatments, and eliminates the chance of cross-contamination. The dilator expands the vaginal tissue and remains stationary in the vagina as the handpiece is rotated throughout the treatment area. As the treatment progresses, a new section of quartz is used for every pulse. Diva is the first resurfacing laser of its kind to include high-precision automation technology. Using a unique precision guidance system in combination with a high-accuracy motor, Diva provides a treatment without manual positioning of the handpiece by the operator. HPA technology creates a more uniform, more predictable, and safer treatment.
When you purchase a Diva, you're not just purchasing a vaginal laser, you're purchasing a laser that can do so many other things for your practice and for your patients. And that's what we're in the business of doing, is providing our patients with an improvement in the quality of life.
So every day I feel really confident, I feel sexy, I really feel like I have a great sex life. My husband is just ecstatic about it. He loves it. He doesn't even know what to think. He can't even imagine that some sort of treatment could do this to women out there.
My sex life is most definitely better. I feel like I'm in my 30s again. It's fantastic. I got my mojo back. I definitely feel more confident. I feel young. I feel sexy. I hadn't felt that way in a very long time.
It makes me feel more confident, very sexy. I don't have any issues, initiating anything or that feeling after, which I kind of felt that before, after having a child, like, am I good enough? Does it feel okay? Is everything all right? And now I know.
To learn more about Diva, visit www.sciton.com/Diva or contact your local Sciton representative to schedule a demonstration.